Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Scarecrow. I'm going to go in and base coat his face first in the color putty, and I'm just going to paint like a circle on. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Pine Cone, and I'm going to use that to base coat his hat. After that, I'm going to go in with the color Colonel Mustard, and I'm going to go and paint all of the hay or hair part of my Scarecrow. After this, I'm going to go in with the color Cobalt Blue, and I'm going to paint him some overalls on. And again, all the color I'm using in this video is Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased on our website along with the cutout that I'm using. So that is buildacross.com. After this, I'm going to go in with the color Dixie Belle Blue, which is a soft blue, and I'm going to paint the cuffs on the bottom of his overalls. Following that, I'm going to go in with the color Barn Red, and I'm going to base coat his shirt. Once I'm done base coating, I'm going to allow everything to dry completely, and then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker, and I'm going to start to outline everything. I'm also going to use my Sharpie brush stroke marker to go in and do a little smile. I'm going to add little stitches to that, and then I'm going to do a little triangle for his nose and little circles for his eyes. And then I'm going to go in and finish it off by adding a little pocket. And then I'm going to go in with a number 4 round brush and the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. 2 little dots for his eyes, and then I'm going to highlight everything just to brighten and soften him up. And then once I'm done with that, my project will be complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.